Earlier this week, the Tolland Fire Department put out a call for help, specifically for snowmobiles, and they say the response was staggering.
So I sent out just a social media request, and I was overwhelmed with the response.
With the help of hundreds of comments and shares, an ask became an army of around 40 ATVs, UTVs, quads, and snowmobiles. But why?
Tolland's got a lot of long driveways.
In an emergency, when every second counts, getting up Tolland's driveways can be a struggle for fire crews. But with a snowmobile.
So if I had a neighbor that was right here, well, it's a lot easier to throw that soap basket with the rope, send him down that driveway, and he coming back out in 10 minutes.
Tolland Fire Chief John Lytle says support like this not only saves lives, but also tax dollars.
But I was overwhelmingly so proud of our residents. And no, I'm not putting one of these in my budget next year. I said we have enough residents and our community is very strong. We come together solid.
Chief Lytle told me that those who did volunteer could be called on this weekend if we see any more severe snow.
In Tolland,
Victoria Anderson, Fox 61.